पानी आपका इंतजार संगम टावर पर कर रहे हैं। विजय कुमार द्विवेदी बाराबंकी के रहने वाले नीलम आपका इंतजार संगम टावर पर कर रहे हैं। शुभम मिश्रा प्रतापगढ़ के रहने वाले आपका इंतजार माला देवी संगम टावर पर कर रही है। नीता तिवारी गाजीपुर सुल्तानपुर के रहने वाली रंजय मिश्रा आपका इंतजार संगम टावर पर कर रहे हैं। दुर्गेश सिंह बाराबंकी के रहने वाले लाल बहादुर आपका इंतजार संगम टावर पर कर रहे हैं। नया संगम गोपा के रहने वाले आपका इंतजार चंद्र पांडे संगम टावर पर कर रहे हैं। राम सिंह जबलपुर के रहने वाले संतोष सिंह ईश्वर खेड़ा आपका इंतजार संगम टावर पर हो। संगम टावर पर आ गए। दीप सिंह आरा जिला के रहने वाले हैं संगम टावर पर आ गए। उनके साथ इंतजार संगम टावर पर। जोकन चौरसिया संत कबीर नगर के रहने वाले हैं उनके साथ।
So it's daybreak now, and we have come to this bathing area which is opposite the Sangam point. So we'll try to capture Sangam point from here. Right in front of us is the bathing area, and as you can see, those small cubicles which have been made, they are the changing room for the ladies. This is the space wherein the people are coming, and there is this bridge number 1, which is among the series of bridges which have been the pontoon bridges or the floating bridges which have been put over the Ganga river. And starting from here, these are the stalls where the local priests perform different kind of puja after the devotees take a bath. So here is one priest. He is going through his puja rituals, and they have got these sheds wherein people can put their belongings behind, and then they can do their religious prayers and all, and then they can come back over here to complete the prayers. So I would like to give you an extent of the crowds which are here for the Mauni Amavasya. In the far distance you can see the tent city and the various entrances which have been decorated. So hectic activity over here. Even though it is daybreak, I just hope that the images come clear because of the low light conditions. Now this complete place is deserted during the regular time, but this is Magh Mela time, and all these priests, they have been asked to move down here. There is one important aspect of this Magh Mela and the 5 snans which happen. So here we have these poor people, and it is supposed to be an important part of the ritual that the people feed them. they mostly offer them uncooked rice. So this is the supposedly end of this this particular section of the ghat. We'll be going a little bit forward, but I'll be disconnecting the feed now so that actually there is nothing interesting to see except for what has already been shown.
के पास आ जाए, उनके साथी यहाँ का इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
So this should give you an estimate of how much crowds will come today on Mauni Amavasya.